How to clear all your watch history on YouTube. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear all your watch history on YouTube easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to youtube.com and log into your account, or not, it's not necessary. Now go to the top corner right here on those three lines, click on them and click on history right here. Now it will give you this page. Now right here you will find all your watched videos. Now if you want to clear your watch history, just click on clear all watch history right here and clear watch history. As you can see, it's cleared. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.